Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 9, exercise 9a, that is about geometrical transformations. In this lesson, I will solve basic level question number 1. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, because for the better understanding of lessons of maths, it's really important to integrate the new lesson with the previous lesson. The key terms are that for the reflection in x-axis, the rule is change sign of y coordinate. For reflection in y-axis, change sign of x coordinate. For the reflection in y is equal to x, switch over the coordinates, and how to draw the horizontal and vertical lines. If you find any difficulty in understanding of these all points and concepts, you have to watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's read the question first. Question 1 says that write down the coordinates of the reflection of each of the following points in x-axis, in y-axis, and in y equals to x. So the question is not difficult at all. If you have the rules of reflection in your mind, that for reflection in x-axis we have to change the sign of y coordinate. So first of all, I'm going to reflect, or I'm going to find the image of all of the points in x-axis. The rule is that we just have to change the sign of y coordinate. So the first point will become 3 and minus 4. The second is minus 1 and minus 3, because for the reflection in x-axis, I have to change the sign of y coordinate. 3 minus 3, and then this is minus 3. This was already negative, so after changing the sign it will become positive. Minus 3 and 4, 3 and positive 2, and we do not know what are the values of p and q, but p and as the q is positive, so reflection in x-axis will change q into minus q. For the reflection in y-axis, change sign of x coordinate. So again I have to take the object and I have to change the sign of x coordinate. So it will become minus 3 and positive 4, positive 1 and positive 3, minus 3 and positive 3, and this was already negative, as I have to change the sign of x coordinate. So it will become 3 and minus 4, and this is minus 3 and minus 2 and minus p and q. Now coming to reflection in y is equal to x, means I have to switch over the coordinate, that x value will become y and y will become x. So it will become 4 and 3. This will become 3 and minus 1. This will remain 3 and 3. And this will become minus 4 minus 3. And this is minus 2 and positive 3, and this will become q and p. Very easy question. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question, and let me read the question from the book first. Question says that state the coordinates of the final image when the point a minus 1 3 is reflected in x-axis, first in x-axis and then y equals to 4, and the second part is that the same point a minus 1 and 3 is reflected first in y equals to 4 and then x-axis. Is the answer in first and second part same? So there are two parts of the question. The first part says that first of all I have to mark the object, that is a minus 1 and 3, and I have to reflect this in x-axis. So let me mark the point a minus 1 and 3. First of all, I have to reach at x equals to minus 1. This is the place, x equals to minus 1, and then I have to move upward 3 units right in front of the 3, and this is the object a minus 1 and 3, and then I have to reflect this object in x-axis, means the x-axis is the mirror line. Now I know the reflection and the rule of reflection in x-axis, that I have to change the sign of y coordinate. So the image will be a dash and at -1, but in front of -3. This will be the place for a dash, -1 and -3. Now what I have to do, I have to reflect this point now in y equals to 4. So first of all, I have to draw the mirror at y is equal to 4. For the understanding of horizontal and vertical lines, you have to watch the previous lesson. That will give you the better understanding. If you are not clear, this is the mirror y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Now what I have to do, that I have to reflect this point now in this mirror y equals to 4 and see and find it out that the object is at what distance from this mirror line. We can see that 4 units from 0 to up and 3 units down, 7 units from the mirror line, and mirror is now at 4. So what will be 7 units further from the mirror line? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, minus 11, minus 1 and 11, -1 and 11, and this will be the final image in this part. A double dash will be -1 and 11. In this case, we are getting the final image at -1 and 11. I hope you are clear that how we are finding the reflection in double mirrors. Now the second part says that we have to reflect a -1 and 3 first in the line y is equal to 4. Again, for the B part, what I have to do, or the second part, what I have to do, again the object is same, that I have to mark -1 and 3. So reach at x equals to -1 and start moving towards 3. This is the object A1 and 3. Let me mark the object A -1 and 3. But now first I have to reflect this in y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 is at this place. Draw the mirror at y is equal to 4, or this will be the horizontal line y equals to 4, and label it. Now see that object is at 1 unit distance from the mirror line. So the image will be 1 unit up in front of 5. So the image of this object will be A dash -1 and 5. And after reflecting this object in the mirror y is equal to 4, I have to reflect this object in the line x-axis. It means I have to reflect this A dash -1 and 5 in x-axis. X-axis has become the mirror. Now you can see that from x-axis and the object we have the gap of 5 units, and the rule of x reflection in x-axis is change sign of y coordinate. So we know the image will be formed at -1 and -5. So a double dash will be coming at -1 and -5. Now the final part says, is the answer in 1 is same as answer in 2? So if we compare the answers, here in the first part the final answer was -1 and 11, -1 and 11. But in the second part, final answer is -1 and -5. So what we can say, that the answers are not same. So the answers of two reflections are not same. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.